Hey guys, today we're playing the Murder Mystery. I'm sure. Okay, I don't know what to do now, cause I feel stupid. Cause I actually got the gun from my friend thingy. You are stand up. Hey! Oh! Oh, he loves me. I literally got my crush ain't coming back. Strawberry, chill, strawberry. I wish you switched chill. Sad times. LOL. It's not like I cracked my finger, guys. My finger. LOL. It's not like I cracked. In a sense, I've been innocent 15 times now. I was playing this since I wasn't recording, guys. So yeah. You know. I know the murder now. It's 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is the murder. So I said 3 a.m. Apparently, I don't know why. I do not know why. I do not know why. Girl. Okay. Just ring Muslim. Okay, so. Okay, so cancel my. Innocent. Please be so good. Innocent. Okay, I've been innocent for the past 15 rounds. Why? Yeah. Yeah. Honestly. Little baby rat. Oh, awesome. Let's join. Yeah, we will swim. I'm a big granny rat in it again. Yeah, again. Why is it shooting? Why is it not shooting? I'm a caller rat. Awesome, guys. And joined. So now I'm awesome. Hey. Liar, you drank it. And Mom. Yeah, you drank it as well. Oh my gosh. You guys are please. I did drink the red Fanta. I did drink the red Fanta. I drank. Oh no. I can't. Woo! Woo! Got my leg back. I just shot my shot. You guys. I am Guys, by the way, my name is 5 AM. Can I be 5 AM? I want to be 5 AM. God, I want to be 5 AM, please. I'm 5 AM. I am 5 AM. I'm Sharon? Thank you. Who are you talking to? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Oh. Bam! Ah! Jesus! I will be. Okay, I will be 7 AM. Okay, I'm 12 AM. Okay, Tower. Oh, guys, sorry, guys. Sorry. Ah! Something just happened. Okay, so let's just log on back to my Roblox account. Guys, let's just check my friend request. Nope. Alright. Hey guys, sing along. Okay guys, let's play a song. Okay. So basically you have to finish the lyrics, okay? You have to finish the lyrics. Okay. Let's go. I'm thinking. Okay. What does it tell her, guys? I'll just be like that. I wanted to race 1 AM. Let's check with it. So guys, apparently I'm not getting child anymore. Because no one's apparently fun. If you want to play Roblox with me, my user is you have to search up in front. You have to search up. Or you have to search up as Jasmine, and then if it says Max Netty, that's me. So yeah, guys, I hope it works. So then we can play Roblox together and if my kids are. Only if you're a fan. I'm not telling you to do it. Only if you're a fan and you want to play Roblox with me so bad. Only. So.
I'm going upstairs to sleep because
Actually,
no, I'm gonna finish my because I have what?
Okay guys, so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So, bye, have a good night.